Today, I will show you how you can get paid over $300 per day in 2024 the easiest way possible, which is one of the best ways to make money online. This works in all countries around the world, so you can be from United States, United Kingdom, Canada, India, Philippines, Nigeria, Bangladesh, Pakistan, Nepal, or any part of the world, and you can still make money with this method. And you can get paid in many different payment methods. For example, you can get paid in your credit cards or debit cards, in your PayPal account, Google Wallet, Apple Pay, Etsy gift cards, or in your Payoneer account. And if none of the above methods are available for you in your country, you can directly get paid into your bank account in your local currency. So like this video, and let's start with the first step on our list, which is to come over to this AI tool called Kittl.com. I will show you how we can use this tool to earn over $300 per day, so stay tuned. Kittl is a free AI-powered designs tool that you can use to create advanced designs, mind-blowing templates, attractive logos, amazing icons, stunning photos, epic illustrations, and ultimate mock-ups in just few seconds. Whether you have experience or not, Kittl Advanced AI helps you generate vector logo icons, stunning images, and clip art by using simple text prompts. You can try it yourself and get free access by clicking the first link in the description. With its easy-to-use interface, you can do the advanced text editing in just few clicks. And with its magic recoloring feature, you can change the color of any design with a single click. They have thousands of ready-to-use templates that you can use for personal or commercial purposes. So just click on the first link in the description of this video, register yourself for free on Kittl.com, and log in to your account. So this is how your Kittl dashboard will look like. Very simple and easy to use. You can use the Kittl on your browser. You don't need to download any software application to create stunning designs. So now here you can choose different templates such as logos, posters, thumbnails, t-shirts, covers, socials. Or from tools, you can make your text stand out, you can create epic mock-ups, add mind-blowing illustrations, and much more. Not only that, there are unlimited ready-to-use t-shirts designs, templates, logos, covers, posters, and cards that you can choose from and edit them as you want. You can also choose from here the specific templates that you want, or you can just simply search in this box what you are searching for. So for example, if we select the t-shirts template from there, it will show you a ton of t-shirt designs that you can use and edit them as you like. And the good thing is that you can choose the specific designs from here that you like to use, such as you can use the beach and surf designs from there, and it will show you a ton of beach and surf t-shirt designs for you. You can keep scrolling down and the new designs will keep showing. Now, step number 2. Once you select the template to use, for example, if I choose this design from there, it will take me to the project page. First thing you want to do is to change the name of this design by pressing this Edit Project Title icon from there. You can name it anything you like, and the project will be saved to your account, which you can find from the My Project section over here. You can see the design that I have created with Kittl till now. After that, the thing I look for is this settings icon over here, because you might want to have different dimensions. Especially if you are doing a t-shirt print, you might need the 12 by 16 dimensions. So let's change the dimensions from here. First change this to inches, and then we need to type in 12 inches and 16 inches in these boxes respectively. Now as you can see, this is the actual size of the canvas that I need to work on. Almost all of these designs are vector-based, which means it is infinitely scalable and it won't lose any quality as you scale them. Next thing you need to keep in mind is the shortcuts, which you can find on the bottom left corner of the project page. So here you can see the different shortcuts that we are going to use, such as plus icon is for zoom in, minus is for zoom out. Control plus A is to select all the elements, Control C is to copy, Control V is to paste, Control Z is to undo an action, and so on. And by the way, you can use the Kittl on Mac also, only the shortcuts will be a little different than a Windows laptop. All other things will be same. Now the next thing is the layers. As you can see, on top of everything we have the texture, which is this glitters thing on our design. Then we have the spirit text written in our design, and then we have free text written under that layer. Then we have flowers, which I don't think we need for this project, so I will just hide them from here. And you can see that the flowers are gone from our design. Next we have the stars, which you can see here on our design, and we don't even need these stars, so we'll just hide them too. So now just press Ctrl A on your keyboard and all the elements will be selected. And I want you to resize the texts and place them in the center of your canvas. One more important thing is that with these magic color plates, you can change the color of your designs with just a single click. So if you like some other color set from here, you can just simply click on it and that color set will be applied to your whole design. Now the step number 3 is, I want to teach you some simple techniques to make your designs most attractive in least amount of time so that you can make over $300 per day easily with these designs. Starting with the text in our design, as you can see from here, we can select the different color for each text written on our canvas. So for example, I can change the color of the shadow for this text and turn it into any color I like. I can also change the main color of this text to something else that I like from here. And the good thing is that you can find the default colors of the design right here and you can choose them to maintain the theme colors. Next thing is this border weight. As you can see, as I increase the border weight, the inner border of the text keeps increasing. And if you don't like the font style, you can change the same from the thousands of premium fonts from here that you can use for completely free. So there are many attractive fonts that you can use according to your need. And right here you can see if the fonts has some more styles like the bold, italic, etc. Then there is the letter spacing. The space between the letter of a text, you can increase or decrease that from here. So for example, if I type in 50 here and press enter, the space between the letters of this text will increase. Whereas if I type in -50 and press enter, the space between the texts will decrease. Next we have the transformation of the text. So as you can see, the angle has been already applied to this text. But if we want, we can apply the circle transformation from there. And this is how our text will look like. You can apply the distort from here, and then you can just change the shape of this text as you want to. You can fit your text according to some shape, or you can fit your text along some distorted lines, and something like that. Just like this, you can use the other transformations like the arch, rise, wave, and flag. And you can change the shape of your text however you want to. Anyways, I am going to keep the angle transformation from there. Now we have this side right here, which is effects. You can choose the different types of shadows from there. You can change the angle of the shadows from here. You can change the shadow size from outline width right here. Then we have the decorations right here, and you can see that the free text already have the first decoration applied to it. And we can apply some other decoration to the text if we want to. We can also select the other text on our design, select the effects option from here, and apply the decorations we want to apply to our text. And we can also change the color of the decorations from here. So that was all for the text editing. Some more important techniques are that if you select and move any element from your design, most of the times only one element will move. But if you want to move all the elements as it is together, then you can press Ctrl A on your keyboard and all the elements will be selected. Now you can right click on any of the elements and select the group ungroup option from there. And boom. Now if you move any element from your design, all the elements will move along with it. The next thing is that you can select the texture option from the left-hand side, and it will show you a ton of textures that you can use on your design and make it even more attractive. Let me remove the background so you can clearly see how the texture will look like. So for example, if I click this texture, it will look something like this on your design. And if I click the clip content option from texture settings, it will remove the background texture and only the content texture will remain. Let me zoom in a little bit so you can see it clearly on our texts. So this is how the clipping of the texture works. Now there is one more important thing I want to share with you. So just select the Kittl AI from the left-hand side. As you can see, you can create stunning images like this with just one click of a button. Let me show you how that works. So first of all, you need to select the style of your image that you want to create. So you can select the Show All option from there, and you can see all the images styles from here. I want to create vector style images, so I will select this style from there. Now, I just want to type in the simple prompt in this box and press enter. The more detailed your prompt is, the better the image will be. So I am just going with a flying bird as of now, and I will just press enter. As you can see, it is loading, so let's wait for a few seconds. Now, as you can see, the image has been generated, which is a really good image. Now, what you can do is, first of all, change the color of this image, and I would suggest you to choose the one from the default colors showing here here. This one is looking good, so let's go with it. Now just adjust the image to the top of our design, and then you can go to the layers options right here, and place the bird illustration just above the flowers layers right here. Now your design is ready, and you can just select the mockup option on the top, and it will take you to this page, where you just need to press a click on this image, and your design will be pasted on this t-shirt. You can just adjust the size of your design according to this t-shirt so that it will look nice on it. And after that, you can just click on download mockup option right here, and this t-shirt mockup will be downloaded to your device. Just like this, you can select the different any candle designs from the left-hand side, adjust your design on the candle accordingly, and just download it from there. Just like that, you can choose different wall designs, different t-shirt designs, different hoodies and sweater designs, different pillow designs, cups and mug images, and much more. You can place your design on them, readjust your design according to their size, and just download your mockups from there. Now the fourth step is to come over to Etsy.com. Etsy is a marketplace where you can sell different t-shirts with your own designs, different cups and mugs with your design on it, different wall arts with your design on them, and so on. As you can see, this person has already earned over $100,000 by just posting this simple t-shirt design on Etsy.com. Just like them, you can also start posting your designs on Etsy using the best free designer tool called Kittl.com. Once again, you can get the free access by clicking the link in the description to get 50% off on monthly pro plan on Kittl. That's it for today. Thanks for watching.